This gentleman going from the salt flats, going to the high flying, clutch kicking. It is a BMW and it's piloted by Pacific Northwest own Dylan the Dozer Hughes.
What's up? I'm Dylan Hughes. So we are here at Formula Drift, New Jersey, and this is the round after our very first win down there at Formula Drift Orlando. So we are floating on the clouds this weekend and we're looking to keep that momentum going. But real quick, let's talk about that event. So that event was a very, very wet event, which is actually pretty good for me. So I'm originally from the Northwest, so I have plenty of time slipping and sliding around in the rain. So one thing that I like to do in the rain with the car setup is whatever gear's in the car, I pretty much just run one gear lower. Say if I'm running fourth in Orlando, in the wet, I would run third. So one thing that happens when we do that is it shortens up the wheel speed quite a bit. So one thing to consider is when you have shorter wheel speed, you're much more likely to be on the rev limiter. And with this Link ECU, we are able to utilize that rev limiter to our advantage. And how we do that is with the, I call it the Donnie Tune, the Thornberry's Donnie Tune rev limiter. You know, James Dean ran it, Peter ran it, and we run it as well, and it sounds really, really good. But also, when it hits the rev limiter, you're able to kind of push the throttle down, it smacks the rev limiter, but the good part about it is the car doesn't necessarily shut off. It doesn't slow down really at all. So with that, it will kind of keep the wheel speed up, and you can use the rev limiter as a tool to help you accelerate the car, because a little bit too much wheel speed, especially in the wet, is actually pretty bad. You just flash the tires off of it and you don't go anywhere, and it's really hard to control. So with the Donnie Tune on our Link ECU, I truly think that that was probably part of the reason why we did so well, because when I ask for it, we can run that thing to the floor, bounce it off the rev limiter at 8,500 RPM. This 2J seems to love it with that royal purple oil in it. I truly think that's probably one of the key factors that helped us get up on the #1 spot last round. So really stoked, and we're looking forward to keep it going this weekend here in New Jersey, and thanks to Link ECU for the support, and let's get it.